You my brother, so I trust you 100%. And for you, I'm gon' ride to the fullest extent. For this music, swear to God, my love is intense. Get to the guap, stay out the way, that shit make perfect sense.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah. What it do? What's good with it? YouTube. It's your boy STMA DJ, back with another video, man. But before we get to the video, man, make sure you leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. But yeah, today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make the best pancakes on this earth. Best pancakes and eggs. So let's get right to it. So step one, before you always cook, make sure you wash your hands. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. I'll see y'all after I'm done. Okay, so I just finished washing my hands. So next, you gotta get everything you need. Turn on the light. So let's get everything we need, and I'm gonna show you everything we need. So now we got everything we need. So first, you wanna just first you wanna come to your stove and turn it on. So this one controls the middle one. Put it right about there. This stove cooks pretty fast. This gonna be where you put your pancakes. This is where you put your eggs. So I usually just turn this one on between low and medium, right about there. Let this just sit until like you put your last pancake in. All right, so first you wanna make your pancake batter. So you wanna get your pancake mix, pour however much you want to inside your bowl, and then you wanna mix it with water. So let me show y'all that. So right here, you want to add butter to your skillet so it doesn't like stick. So yeah, but I have to voice over because of the sound. But you see how the butter is just barely in there. So yeah, I'm gonna turn on this fan. And that's when the sound gets a little bad. So right here, you just want to pour how big of a pancake you want into the skillet. I'll show y'all my size, which is good. You're on the size of the pancake. Don't take up the whole skillet. It's gonna be hard to flip. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when it's done. While we wait on that, we gonna start with the eggs. So yeah, I like to cook 3 eggs at a time. So my 3. Got my 3 eggs. Done with that. All right, so yeah, give me one. See the sides, it's almost ready to flip, but it's not completely ready yet. So, take a spatula and just all on the side. See, it's still cooking. It's like light skin right now. Yeah. Comment down below how y'all like y'all pancakes to look. Y'all like light skin, dark skin, extra crunchy? Let me know. Yeah, man, we finna crack the eggs. And, yeah, so. throw it away after you finish too. So yeah, now we got our eggs, and I'm gonna go wash my hands. So be right back. So yeah, now it's ready to flip. It might be a little burn. So you take it, get it all the way on there. Boom. Boom. Easy as that. So yeah, back to the eggs. Get your spoon, stir it around. Make sure you don't see that big old like clump. So it should all be mixed around like that. Next, you want to take your seasonings, black pepper, put you some of that in there. Oh man, the other side was open. Alright, stir that around. You want to take your seasoning salt, put some of that in there. Stir that around. So yeah, now we got 2 of the 3 things we put in our eggs. Last thing, secret ingredient, is cheese. This cheese is this Mexican style 4 cheese. That's cheese. You just take some, just sprinkle it in. And it depends on like how much you like eggs, like how much you like cheese. I mean, if you like a lot of cheese, put a lot of cheese. You don't, put a little bit. But yeah, here we go. This is what it looks like. So yeah, now we just gotta wait. And when it's time to be ready. Now our pancakes is finished. We're gonna take it out. Put it on the plate. There we go. Take the space over there. And then we're gonna take your butter. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna take another one and start the second one. So next you want to add more butter, and then you want to just spread it around the whole skillet, add your pancake mix, and just keep repeating this process. If it's your first time, it might be a little hard. This is my second one. And, I made a little too much, so we're going to make a third one. It's not going to be as big, I think, but we're going to have enough for a third one. Yeah, this is what it looks like right now. I'll show y'all when it's ready to flip. All right, so now we're going to start the eggs. We'll take you a slice of butter and put it in the egg, like skillet. Don't put the butter inside the egg skillet. I don't know why, but it's trying to stick during this video, so I'll show y'all when it's in there. So just like the pancakes, you want to spread your butter all the way around. Make sure it's all around the skillet, so that just helps it from sticking to the skillet. So yeah. Eggs. Eggs, right? Throw it in there. So yeah. Now our eggs in there, our pancake right here. About ready to flip. Ready? Y'all ready for this? Perfect. It's beautiful. So yeah, we got the eggs sticking here. Pancake here. My stove cooks pretty fast, so we got it on low. And for the eggs, I put it between medium and low. Close to the medium though. But yeah, you see with this pancake, how we got like this on it. That's perfectly cool. Just look. Get it done. Flip again. Let it cook a little longer on that side. That side that you got just off this extra piece. It's going to basically like blend in more with the pancake. So if I can flip it, yeah. Blend in a little more. But if you don't like that part, then you can easily just cut it off. So now the second pancake is done. We'll put it on top of the first one. So we're gonna add butter to it. We're gonna add butter to the skillet. And start the third pancake. See y'all when we are. So now keep repeating that process. You're gonna add more butter. Spread it around, and then add how much pancake mix you had. Since this was my last one, I'm just gonna scrape the rest of the bowl out. And, I'm gonna show y'all the size of my pancake right about now. A little bit smaller than the other two. I'm gonna show y'all the eggs. So, eggs, you're gonna take your spatula, See that? See how it's like solid, not solid. It's like hard right there. And flip it. Keep flipping it. And it's ready when like you don't see all this. You know how it's jiggling? You don't see all that. You wanna flip it over. See that? That's what it should look like when it's done. All of this should look like that when it's done. You wanna just flip it. If you don't keep flipping it, I'll show y'all when it's done. So now you wanna just like keep flipping your eggs until like it's all the way that way. I showed you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna keep doing that till it's like scrambled. It's not in one big old clog, so yeah. So the pancake ready to flip. Come over to my eggs. My eggs about done, so we gonna turn it off. Then move it off the heat. Move right to there. It's off the heat. If we don't let this pancake cook, and we almost done with it. So yeah, now the pancake is done, so we're gonna take it off. Put it with the other one. Butter and add an exit plate. Very important step. Make sure you turn your skillet off and move it away from the heat. So just add the butter and then get my eggs and add them on. Got the eggs. Just finished all the cooking. So one important thing though. You cannot eat and have a bit of. So I'm gonna make some lemonade and I'm gonna show you how I make that too. This is the best lemonade right here, no cap. So you wanna take the little scoop. It's like a good scoop right there. Pour it into a cup. Two good scoops right here. Pour it in the cup. Now we go. Take it over to the sink. So yeah, now it's finished. You're gonna come over here. Get us a spoon. That spoon. Get upstairs. So yeah, here we go. This is how you know what it looks like. It's good. You're gonna take your spoon and taste it. Real good. So yeah, now we're done with the spoon. Got the lemonade. Gonna go to the table and we finna show y'all the meal. That's what we're working with. And we're gonna take our syrup. Just pour it on. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I'll catch y'all in the next video. It's your boy STL Made DJ. Out here, man. Peace.
Like, comment, and subscribe.